Share with us.
What am I sharing with y'all?
I don't know. What your writing process? Share.
Alright, hold on. This is what it is. Crime Boys ENT, CBE, you already know. My boy CJ in the motherfucking booth. Katie, I was behind the motherfucking phone.
Always.
You already know. Yeah? So this is what we're doing. We're doing a joint called Booski. If you're from area, anywhere around, so you know that's the terminology, whatever niggas is using. So we going in on it, and my boy CJ on the hook and shit. And this is the damn life, man. You know what I'm saying? It's about like the type shit that just hold it down in all aspects of the word. You know what I'm saying? So like, it's better than baby mama. Don't get confused. Boosie's like your main dip, your main squeeze, you know what I'm saying? Like your ride or die. It's like the one who do the thing, you know what I'm saying? The one that you rep. Because most niggas don't even rep they boo. You know what I'm saying? So it's the one that you rep. So like, this is what it is right now. We about to go in, you know what I'm saying, working on the first verse or whatever, so this is what it is. CBD all day. Shouts out to my niggas K Hill. You know what I'm saying? That PGPA is out ASAP yesterday. And Genocide, franchise player about to come out. UTR J-Dub, that shit's already out. You can go download that shit. Calico, fucking, what is that shit called? State of Euphoria? Are you niggas serious? That shit's out. Clark Bent Superman, that shit supposed to be dropping. We working on that. We just doing major moves, man. You know what I'm saying? My shit's out. Fucking Rush Hour. Swabbed Out. Young, Rich, and Flashy. You know what I'm saying? Reverb Nation. www.reverbnation.com. And you can find any of those songs. This is a day in life, man.
Hey, yo, I want to give a shout out, man, to my new name of my mixtape. Yo.
Mixtape, nigga?
I'm fucking faded right now. I'm not even. Hey, yo, my new mixtape, man, called Love Scenarios, man. Check that out. You already seen me put a couple of new songs on Facebook.
Check out that
Carousel is Stranger.
Yeah.
There's gonna be another one called In the Shower. Y'all gonna like that shit. If y'all love Stranger, y'all gonna like that shit. I guarantee you.
So go check it out. What's the reverb, bro?
Reverb is Lamar PYC.
Oh yeah. So www.reverbnation.com/Lamar PYC. You already know. Mine is www.reverbnation.com/Rashad704. That's RASHAD 704. You can also find Candy Apples on Reverb Motherfucking Nation. That's what we do. Hit me up on Twitter at Rush814ever. You know what I'm saying? This is what we do. All day, every day, even on Sunday. That's what it is. So, Crime Boys ENT, we out. Shout out to all my niggas. Shout out to those who support what we do.
Exactly.
Because we do it for we do it for the city.
Exactly.
So, you know what I'm saying? We in the booth all the time. Whenever I got free time, I'm here. I'm producing, engineering, mixing, whatever it calls for is what we're doing. That's how we living, and we do it for you. All right? So rep us, we rep you. Yeah? Let's go.